Hi friends, welcome to S&R MedTech Madavandi. Me Sharath from Thrissur at Kerala. Hi guys, this is an old video at Malayalam. That one I transferred to English. Hi guys, today we can study about Maruti 800 petrol carburetor model mileage. For that purpose, I want these things: a bottle, some of glue, and a pipe. And I have a knife for making that mileage checking tool. This tool is very simple. The checking procedure is very simple. We can all guys you can do this very simply. For this purpose, I will make a small hole on the bottle's top like this. By using a knife, I will make two holes for the purpose of this pipe going to inside the bottle. Okay guys, I don't know English very well. I am a Malayali, so please try to understand my language. So please fix the hose like this under the bottle. The hose must need to go under the bottle because we need to take last drop of petrol also. So be making another hole for return hose. We need to come the petrol from the carburetor. Carburetor have two lanes. One is the main line and the another lane is the return lane. For the main lane, the petrol goes to inside the carburetor, and the return lane, the petrol comes out to the tank, the return balance petrol from the carburetor. So make these two hoses like this, and top of the hose we need to put some glue because when the vehicle going to run, the bottle will makes shuffle, and there is a chance to come the petrol out. So we need to fix the pipes properly. That's why I take some glue and I will mix both glues because one glue is a hardener. So when we put this glue on the top of the hose, see, glue fixing like this, and we need to take time for this for drying the glue. When the vehicle driving time, the bottle will shake and there is a chance to come the petrol out. So when we fixing like this, the petrol never come out. So I will take 100 ml petrol correctly by using a measuring tool. So this includes put 25 mm first. I will put the petrol 4 times on this bottle. That 25 4 times means 100 ml. So I fill 100 ml petrol and I will do close the bottle properly. So I will put inside both tubes inside and I am going to close like this. So the petrol never come out from the bottle. Only the petrol will come to the pipes. So we can go outside for a long time. This road is very curved road. That's why we can get proper mileage. For that purpose, for the mileage testing purpose, we need very good road. For that purpose, I am going to ride on a straight road. That's why I didn't connect this tool now, because I need to get correct mileage. So I come to the good road and I am going to connect the tool. Before that tool, we need to connect that tool, we need to open this bonnet. So I am going to open the bonnet and I am going to disconnect the petrol inlet pipe from tank to petrol pump. This is the AC mechanical pump. Then I am going to start the vehicle, because the carburetor inside have some petrol. That's why I am going to ride. After the vehicle stop, that means the carburetor inside petrol will finished. Then I am going to connect the mileage checking tool. Otherwise, the mileage will show very high, because the carburetor inside have a float unit. That float unit have some petrol. That petrol also include our checking procedure. But I don't want to use that petrol for the checking of our car mileage. I am only want to know 100 ml petrol mileage. So I am going to turn off, I am going to turn off our car. So see, our car will off now, because there have no petrol in carburetor. Then I am going to connect the inlet of the petrol fuel pump. Then another I will connect the return of the carburetor, and I am going to hold this bottle on by using a wire strap correctly. So I am going to remove the return line and I will connect this return tube. Before connecting, I will cut and hello guys, I am going to tag the bottle properly. Then I will going to remove the return hose and going to connect our tool return hose. The hose is too big, that's why I am going to cut and connect the return line. So now I fix one line is return, the another line is fuel pump inlet line. When the vehicle going to start, the fuel pump will suck the petrol and the vehicle will start, and the return from the carburetor going to the pipe through going through pipe to our bottle. So then before checking our mileage, we need to note the current mileage. So the current mileage is 21.4. The last digit is 21.4. So we need to start the vehicle and we can run. Before run, we need to check all all door glass up. We need to up all door glass, otherwise The wind resistance will reduce the mileage. Then we can going to start the car and ready to run. For the purpose of checking mileage, the vehicle must need to run for top gear on 40 to 60 kilometer speed. Don't use brake continuously. This will affect the mileage, and use almost top gear for this riding. Otherwise, we will never get proper mileage. So, please avoid curved roads and the traffic roads. If you use like that, we need to apply brake and we need to reduce speed. So if you apply brake continuously and we will reduce speed, we never get proper mileage. So ride properly on 40 to 60 kilometer speed on a straight road. Then sometime after, our car will stop. That means the petrol will finish. Now see 23.3 before 21.4. That means I will get 1.9 kilometer mileage on 100 ml petrol. That means I will get 19 kilometer mileage on 1000 ml petrol. So the 1000 ml means 1 liter petrol. So guys, now I think you understand, your people will understand how to check the Maruti 800 carburetor model petrol ourselves. So I think my video will help you checking your car mileage. If you like my video, please share others and subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching S&R Medtech One Day. Thank you.